On Wednesday, President Trump took to social media to call out the New York Times for a recent story implying that he backed off plans to introduce a Republican replacement for the Affordable Care Act following a warning from Senator Major Leader Mitch McConnell. In a series of tweets, Trump refuted the story, and said he was never planning on a vote prior to the 2020 election, which he called a great campaign issue. "I never asked Mitch McConnell for a vote before the election, as has been incorrectly reported, as usual, in the New York Times, while reaffirming his support for pre-existing conditions. I was never planning a vote prior to the 2020 election on the wonderful health care package that some very talented people are now developing for me and the Republican Party. It will be on full display during the election as a much better and less expensive alternative to Obamacare." Donald J. Trump, @RealDonaldTrump, April 3, 2019, "This will be a great campaign issue. I never asked Mitch McConnell for a vote before the election as has been incorrectly reported, as usual, in the New York Times, but only after the election when we take back the House etc. Republicans will always support pre-existing conditions." Donald J. Trump, @RealDonaldTrump, April 3, 2019. Trump has sparred with various mainstream media networks and outlets throughout his presidency, and has specifically condemned the Times with allegations of politically biased coverage, as well as the intentional and unintentional sharing of false information.